I'm demonstrating for you how to complete the Unit 5 Search for Future Education and Training Options. So I'm in my Dropbox. I'm going to click on the Word document. It will download into the bottom left-hand corner. I click on it, open it up, and you see here that I have the document. First I need to click on Enable Edit. Now I can complete the work on the worksheet. You'll see here in the instructions it says, with so many education and training options, how will you find the right school for you? In this activity you'll explore a website called College Navigator. College Navigator can help you find schools with education or training programs that are related to your career choices. The instructions are: open the College Navigator website. Here is the live link here, and all you have to do is Control-click, or you can copy and paste this into your search engine. I'm going to go ahead and hover over top of the live link. I'm going to hit Control-click, and it will open up that website. And here it is here. I'm going to put these two side by side so I can see both the website and my worksheet all in one. Now, it says number 2, if your career plan A and B choices do not necessitate post-secondary education, you can choose to research one two-year associate's degree institution in your area and one four-year or bachelor's degree institution in your area, or you can research these two choices, the University of Cincinnati and Columbus State Community College. So again, I understand that not everybody's career choices mandate that you have to do any further education. I understand that. So with that in mind, I do want you to understand how to do research for schools, because at some point in your future you might want to or need to continue your education. So I want you to be able to do this activity. So if your career plan does not necessitate any additional education, that's fine. But I still want you to do this exercise, and in that case, you can either choose a 4-year degree and a 2-year degree institution and research those, or you can research these two that I've chosen for you, University of Cincinnati and Columbus State Community College. I'm going to do this assignment first as if I am using my career plan A or B. My career plan A, what is your career plan A or B that you're preparing for? My career plan A is high school teacher. I'm going to type that there. Now, again, if your career plan A or B does not necessitate additional education, that's fine. Let's say that you want to work at McDonald's. Then you would write counter worker for career plan A or B. I just want to know what plan you are pursuing. Step 1. In the website, we're going to come down here and we're going to put in your zip code first, so that it knows what area you want to go to school in. Okay, now it says select a state or region. So I'm going to come over here and I want to go to school here in Ohio. So I'm going to click on Ohio. Put my zip code in here. What state or region did you want to go to school in? I'm going to write Ohio. Next, select the programs or majors to help you achieve your career plan. Which programs or majors did you select? So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to, you can either click on Browse for your program, and you come over here to the website, and here are all the different career choices, career groups that you can choose from. Now again, I'm in education, so I'm going to click on education. Hone down a little bit further. So I'm choosing teacher education and professional development, specific levels and methods. Nope, specific to a specific subject area since I want to teach business. Now you come down here and here's business education. So that's what I'm going to and then you can choose whether or not you want to go to school online or all of the above. All right, so there we go. So again, I'm going to type in this area here, specifically the program or major that I am searching, and mine was teaching, specific curriculum, and mine was business. Next, it says select a level of award, meaning, am I looking to earn a certificate, an associate's degree, a bachelor's degree, so on and so forth. So again, come over here. I need a bachelor's degree to teach. Institution type. Now, you only have to choose one in this area here. So I'm going to choose 4-year degree. Again, which is a bachelor's, so 2 years as an associate's, or less than 2 year, which would be a certificate. Now, you can also be more specific and choose a public institution, meaning owned by the state. So, for instance, Ohio State University might be a public institution. Then there are many, many, many private and nonprofit or for-profit schools that you could choose from as well. And you could choose all of these, or you could just choose the one. You can click on more certain. Okay, so sorry. So my award level is bachelor's degree. Select an institution type. Again, I chose a 4-year. And now I'm going to click on Show Results. Now, if I want to find more search options, I certainly can, based on school, how much it would cost to go to school, the enrollment, meaning how many students attend that school. Do I need housing in particular? Do I want to go to school in a rural setting or a suburban setting, so on and so forth? So you can, again, pare down your choices by clicking again on more search options and then making more specifics in here. That's all I need to search, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Show Results. So my initial search did not give me any results. So if that's the case, come down here and you see review your number of results. If you got less than 2 results, or none in my case, we need to come over here and continue searching and give more specifics. So for instance, I went back in and I changed my institution types to public, private nonprofit, private for-profit, and a 4-year degree. Again, I can come down here and I can give more specifics like tuition, student enrollment, housing. I do want to live on campus. You can choose whether or not you want to live in a rural, so on and so forth. Whether your ACT and SAT scores, whether they have varsity athletic teams, whether they offer online or on-campus education, religious affiliation. Specialized mission, so on and so forth. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on results with my new additions, and here are certainly not an exhaustive list of choices that you can make here. So now what I'm going to do, so I went ahead and broadened my results so that I could find some schools. Review your results. You can sort them alphabetically, so on and so forth. Select 2 schools to research further and fill out the table below. So again, this list here is not exhaustive, meaning there are many more out there, but this is the list that I came up with here in Ohio of schools for education, so on and so forth. Of interest to me are Bowling Green State University, so I'm going to type that name here. as well as Mount Vernon Nazarene. Oops, down here. Okay, now it asks for address and location and school website. Not this website, not the Navigator website, but the school website. So to find that, I'm going to click on that plus button, and here's all the information I need. So you'll notice here is the school's website. So I'm just simply going to copy and paste that here. And then it asks me as well for the school's address, which is here. And I'm going to copy and paste that and include that there. Same for Mount Vernon. Again, notice if I click on this I here, it gives me that same information. So here's Mount Vernon Naz. Here's the website. I'm going to include that there. And here's the school address at the top. And I'm going to copy and paste that into my worksheet as well. Now, you'll notice that I'm asking you to save your work to your transition portfolio, naming it Search for Future Education Training Options, submit it to that same Dropbox, and also bookmark the College Navigator website so that we can use it in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come up here to the website for the College Navigator website, and I'm simply going to click on the star. Here's College Navigator as the name, and I'm going to click on Done to save the website to my bookmarks. Now, let's say that as I'm completing this activity, I don't have a specific, instead I have a specific school that I want to research. So I would still fill out my Career Plan A, the state that I want to go to school in, the area of study that I'm interested in, the degree type, so on and so forth. But let's say that I have a specific school that I want to go to. If that's the case, you can simply type the name of your school here. Let's say that I want to go to Ashland University, or I want to research Ashland University. I still want it to be a bachelor's degree. I want it to be, any of these are okay. I do need housing. Show my results. So I had to go into my searches, and I had to remove all of my searches in order for Ashland to show up in my search. So I typed in Ashland University in Ohio. I removed all of my searches. I hit search results, and here's Ashland University. If I click on it, it gives me all of that same information that I need for this part of the assignment. So again, if there's a university that you want to specifically study at, you don't need to go through all of those search portions. All you need to do is type the name of the school. So again, if your Career Plan A or B does not necessitate additional education and you're going to search for my choices, which again are the University of Cincinnati or Columbus State, you would simply come up here and type in and then hit search show results. And here are your choices. If you have any questions about this assignment, please ask. Make sure that you save your results and submit them, and then we'll continue on from there.